Hi everyone! I'm Donna from JINGWEI Technology Company. Let's take a look at this customer's wire today. It is a 2-core twisted pair sheath wire. This customer ordered to inner and outer peeling machines plus 1 outer peeling machine. They have installed this manipulator and this conveyor belt. The advantage of adding a manipulator and a conveyor belt is to prevent the cut line from being messy. Waste of labor to organize. Cut the line. It will automatically fall into this take-up slot. Then when it reaches a certain quantity, you can collect it yourself. Let's take a look at this customer's line. One end of the outer skin is peeled 5 millimeters. Core wire stripping to millimeters. The other end is the peeled outer skin 5. Core wire peel length is 10 millimeters.